Capricorn's an earth sign. I hope you put an earth behind me. Capricorns, you're ruled by the planet that is Saturn, and your symbol is goats. You love goat climbing. That's not a thing. You love mountain climbing, just like goats. You love to be on the top of mountains like goats. And the top of your fields, they are like achievers. They want to achieve success. A happy Capricorn is a Capricorn with a goal. You can be impatient. But on the flip side, it makes you very persistent. Ooh, you're so traditional. You're so about what's right and wrong. Ooh, tradition. You're all about that morality thing. It's what I told you, snooze USA. Capricorns, you tend to play things a little safe, and you're not emotional. I know, because I dated one of you. Capricorns, you love to be in charge and you love to rule things. You will be the ruler of your own empire and your own destiny. I don't know any famous Capricorns, but I like to say Michael Kors.
I'm gonna look it up right now. Bradley Cooper.
Boring.
Ryan Seacrest.
Oh my God, that's perfect! Here's your perfect example of a Capricorn. Ryan Seacrest. He has his own empire, and that empire includes the Kardashians. So that's a friggin' good empire. Also, I think he owns part of American Idol, if that show still exists. For a Capricorn, a good empire is something that's stable, that we all know will profit. They're not risk takers, like a real estate empire, a makeup empire, a construction empire, your own fashion house. You love details and you love to do those details right. You don't give up until those details are perfect. Make sure your drive is focused on the right career for you. That's very important. Don't focus on something that you're not good at, because you're not gonna get there. That's like just general good life advice. In love, you love to play hard to get. It's your favorite game. I played it with you. I hated it. You're slow to warm up. And when I say slow, I mean really slow. But once you're there, you're like fully into it. All in. You love action instead of that sexy smooth talk. You're all about showing your love rather than saying it. You're more likely to choose a stable love than a crazy passionate one. Understanding because you're weak. I'm so sorry. You're weak. But remember to choose what is right for you and don't compromise too much. As far as your family's concerned, you have some issues lingering from your childhood that you just can't get over. You're an adult and it's time to work on it. Is that too harsh? The best way to work those out is to go see a therapist.
Good evening, Clarice.
Or ask your friends for help. You can work through this. We believe in you. You're not known for being the life of the party, but you do have a lot of friends. And they like you. Oh, they don't have a lot of friends. Snooze, snooze, snooze. You're not the life of the party. And you don't have a ton of friends. But the friends you do have are good friends. And they're close friends. And they're people you really connect with. Try to find friends that share your sarcastic sense of humor. Like a Gemini. That's you, Capricorn. And you're welcome. You want to know about your crush or your friend or your father or your mother or your daughter or your child or someone, just anyone. Go look up their horoscope on the Chatelaine page. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.